In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Barclays bank account online for international students. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to prepare, and how to get your student account up and running with confidence. First, download the Barclays app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure you choose the official Barclays mobile banking app from the verified developer. A stable internet connection and enough battery will help you get through the application smoothly in one go. Once the app is installed, open it and head to the products section. From there, select current accounts, then choose student banking. This is the account designed for people in full-time higher education in the UK. Before you proceed, keep in mind the key requirements. You must be 18 or older in full-time higher education, have a valid passport and a UK mobile number, and you may be asked for up to 3 years of address history. Next, start your application. The app will walk you through each screen, so take your time. You'll be asked to verify your identity by scanning your passport and recording a short video. Do this in a well-lit space, lay your passport on a flat surface, and follow the on-screen prompts to capture the photo page clearly. For the video, keep your face centered and speak clearly if prompted. This step helps Barclays confirm that you are the genuine holder of the passport you've just scanned. After identity verification, enter your personal details. Include your UK address, which can be your term time address, halls of residence, or other accommodation where you can reliably receive mail. Then add your university course information like your institution and course title, along with the expected start date if asked. Make sure the details you provide match your official documents. You'll need a UK mobile number for security codes and updates, and you may be asked to provide up to 3 years of address history, so have previous addresses ready if applicable. Once everything looks accurate, submit your application and wait for approval. Processing times can vary, but you'll get an update in the app or via text. Keep an eye on your notifications so you don't miss any requests for additional information. If everything is successful, you'll receive confirmation and can begin using your new Barclays student account right away in the app. You'll be able to view your balance, manage payments, and set up useful features as they become available. And that's it. Follow these steps carefully, meet the requirements, and your Barclays student account will be ready once approved.